A sturdy roof above our heads provides more than just a shelter. It offers a peace of mind and security for you and your loved ones. At Top Flite Roofing, we understand the importance of a reliable roof, especially for those affected by storm damage or facing the wear and tear of time on their homes. With the commitment to professionalism and craftsmanship, we stand ready to restore and fortify your home's protection. Our exceptional duo is a formidable combination, featuring an owner with a proud Navy veteran background and a dynamic, forward-thinking female leader who enriches our business with her unique perspectives. At Top Flite Roofing, we're dedicated to empowering our local homeowners with top-notch roofing solutions. Our team is driven by the commitment, whether it's routine maintenance or tackling complex roofing challenges. Our passion drives us, and we're constantly exploring innovative ways to enhance our services and lead in the roofing industry. Our team stays updated on the latest trends and technologies to provide the most effective solutions for our esteemed customers. Our company was founded by strong professionals who identified significant gaps in customer service within the roofing industry. We provide exceptional service and advice. We connect with homeowners on a personal level to understand their needs. We are there every step of the way through their roofing process. We offer full picture reports, maintenance, and expert advice throughout the way. We have 50+ years of combined experience coupled with the best quality products in the business. Our customers inspired Lane Edwards to establish a new approach to roofing services. His dedication and commitment to changing the business has earned Top Flite Roofing an exceptional reputation. He continues to push the envelope with growth by developing his people and giving back to the community. Lane Edwards, CEO, founder. Proud Navy veteran with a stellar sense of service. His commitment to his craft sets the bar in his field. We all have a role in our community. As a team, we have a few organizations we're volunteering for in 2024. Our scheduled events this year include hosting a donation booth at CCMF to support our local VFW. We will also be at the first Myrtle Beach Classic volunteering to support Blue Star Mothers of Coastal Carolina. We have the best team. Top Flite Roofing is providing exceptional service throughout the Carolinas. We're contributing to job opportunities in both states and investing in our team to ensure long-term careers. Roofs are considered one of the most critical components of your home or business. From materials and roof shape to problems and repairs, we do it all. Shingle roofs, slate roofs, flat roofs, modified bitumen roofs, whatever style your home features, we can build it, fix it, or repair it. We also specialize in commercial roofing systems. Whether you need a flat roof, metal roof, or another specialized roofing solution, we have the experience to deliver a high-quality installation. Nail pops. Nail pops in a roof occur when nails used to secure roofing materials, such as shingles or tiles, push through the surface over time due to various factors such as temperature changes, settling of the structure, or improper installation. This results in raised or protruding areas on the roof surface, which can potentially lead to water leaks if it's left undressed. Resale value. Did you know that a roof in poor condition can have a serious impact on the resale value of your home? You may be able to save thousands in lost income simply by keeping your roof in good condition with low-cost repairs. Fascia and wind damage. Whether it's a windy day or a strong storm, powerful winds can cause your fascia to detach from your home and go completely missing. We can assess your damage, locate other loose areas, and repair or replace it fast for a seamless look. Leaky pipe collars, flashing, and chimneys. Just like leaks in other areas of your roof, leaks around your pipe collars, flashing, or chimney can lead to bigger and more expensive problems. Collapsed roofs. A collapsed roof can mean big problems for the rest of your home. If you're in trouble, don't wait. Call our roofing repair experts today. We'll get it fixed quickly to get your homes back to being protected. Damaged venting. Proper roofing ventilation helps keep your home at an optimal temperature all year round. And if it's damaged, it can mean a home that is too hot or too cold. Algae staining. Algae staining on roofs refers to the discoloration and streaking caused by the growth of algae, These algae thrive in moist and shaded areas, typically appearing as dark green or black streaks on roof shingles or tiles. Algae staining not only detracts from the aesthetic appeal of the roof, but could also potentially lead to deterioration of roofing materials if left untreated. Water damage. If you spot water damage inside your home in the days after a storm, don't delay. Water damage can affect almost any part of your home and causes costly, time-consuming repairs. Rotting wood. When wood rots, it becomes a danger to anything that relies upon it. That means if you have rotting wood in your roof, it could end up sagging or caving in. Granule loss. If the repeated impact of hail has worn away the sandpaper, like the granules on your shingles, there is nothing to protect your roof. The asphalt coating is now exposed to the elements and can soon lead to leaks. Hail damage. Hail can cause shingles to crack, meaning water is free to penetrate your roof and cause further deterioration. Be sure to have any cracks repaired right away before any lead to any more severe damage. Loose seals. Extreme winds can loosen the seals of your shingles, meaning you'll always be on the alert for the next storm that causes them to blow off. Worse still, the surrounding shingles can also tear. We use industry-leading standards to repair and keep you protected, even when the damage is severe. As you can see right now, we're starting to get into 75 to 95 mile-an-hour winds, which is rated as a Category 1 hurricane. Things are starting to blow. Now we're getting to 96 to 110. Starting to lose shingles. Things are starting to blow off. Now we're getting to the more intense Category 3, where we're starting to lose whole entire structures. So this is why it's so important to make sure that we take care of our properties and make sure everything is properly installed so we can avoid this as much as we can at all costs. When insurance is covering the cost of your roof, it means they recognize the need for repairs or replacement due to damage covered by your policy. This typically involves an adjuster assessing the damage and providing an estimate for the scope of work. We are experienced and can cater to all situations. We will inspect your roofing system and share our results with you via photos and video. We are your advocates to represent you when your insurance adjuster comes for their inspection. We get to help you with your insurance paperwork, scheduling your roof work, and follow up with all parties. Come and check out our new website. That's www.topfliteroofing.com, TOPFLITE roofing.com. And if you're just not sure if you're hurricane-proof ready, give us a call. We'll come out, give you a free roof inspection, and make sure we give you peace of mind to know that your house is good to go in a very intense storm.